name is Emily Early, and I'm the Curator of Anthropology at the Arizona Museum of Natural History in downtown Mesa. If you follow our Facebook page, you may be familiar with our You Curate program. This week's Mesa Family Takeout Night is an extension of that program. As a curator, I'm often asked about how objects are chosen for an exhibit. Keep in mind that I'm an anthropology curator. Anthropology is the study of humans, past, present, and in some cases, future. The objects we display in anthropology are called artifacts, which means that they are objects that were made or modified by humans. So for example, this rock is simply a rock. I don't see anything on it that indicates it was changed by a human hand. But this rock has been painted, which tells me that a human must have done that, and therefore it's an artifact. My job is to first choose a theme for an exhibit, then choose artifacts, and then write descriptions, also called label copy, that makes those artifacts meaningful to the visitor. This isn't just a painted rock to me. It's a rock that our nanny helped my girls decorate for me for Mother's Day. If I were to include it in an exhibit, the first thing I would do is make sure that one of the meaningful sides was visible to our visitors. Then I would write a description that connected the visitor to the experience I feel every time I look at this rock. As a mother, those are fairly typical reactions: joy, pride, and a little bit of sadness that my baby's feet are getting so big. Your activity this week is to create an exhibit with the theme quarantine. I want to know what items have become essential or cherished to you and your family during this time. As you sit eating your Wednesday downtown takeout, discuss what artifacts have become important to you. If you live alone, maybe you're reflecting on items that have kept you connected, like your laptop or your phone. If you have a big family, maybe you're thinking about an object that gave you a moment to yourself, like your pair of favorite walking shoes or a headset. Next, assemble your item or items. You can arrange them artfully on a shelf or simply alone on a surface. Create a short 1 to 3 sentence description of why this object is important. Include a title and your name or initials. Your description can be handwritten, typed and printed, or simply a part of your post. Any way you decide to do it, take a photo or photos and post to your social media with the hashtags Together in the Desert and You Curate. You Curate is spelled capital U, C-U-R-A-T-E. For the chance to have your item, or a photo of your item if the object is too large to be displayed, as well as your label copy included in a special quarantine exhibit when the Arizona Museum of Natural History reopens, please also tag @AZMNH. Your submissions can include a single object or your own mini exhibit, and feel free to submit more than one. They can be humorous examples of items that kept you sane during this time, like your pressure cooker, or perhaps a toddler's favorite movie that you had to watch on repeat but that gave you a moment alone to yourself. Or they can be sentimental pieces, like an heirloom that kept you feeling connected to your family, or a personal piece of artwork from Creative Catalyst's snail mail program. We have some examples to get you inspired, and please check out AZMNH's Facebook page for a refresher. I can't wait to see what you curate.